Alright, few things to know. 36 tooth in the back, 10 off this. I have a feeling that's going to be way too big of a back sprocket. We're going to need like a 28 tooth. My freewheel locked up, so we are free pedaling this. There's no plan B if this doesn't work out. I have no idea where the weights need to be at. I have no idea where spring tensions to use yet. I'm gonna just kind of play it by ear to see how bad this winds out. If it winds out a lot, we'll put a looser spring on. I got this drilled right here for a 26-inch wheel. I did that out. We should be in the ballpark for that one, and the carb is not tuned. So just keep all this in mind. This is the first ride of this, so here we go. Alright, so here is the Minarelli hybrid on a China doll with CVT. Let's see if we can get it running a little better. I do not have, oh yeah, my, so you can see down in there, my freewheel toasted out. Plus I gotta make one of those custom pedal assemblies again. I'm gonna go like I did on the 139cc since it lasted really well. But anyways, let's get this running. Let's see, we on? Believe that's on. Choke. Alright. I might have the gas off. Oh, I had the gas off. Dumbass. I had the gas off. Let's see how we can not too sure what happened. I don't hear a chain. I threw a chain. Let's see what happened. Yes, sir. Through the chain. Alright, so we're going to do try number 2. I just deleted the chain tensioner. And we're going to let it just free roll. I believe we're going to be fine. That's how I did it last time. Everything's lined up pretty decent. So, I think it was just derailing it. Alright, let's try again. so nice having a full fit. And I lost it. Right out of the gate. Alright, we're going to delete that. Try number 2. Align the wheel a little different. Left a little bit of play in it. Hoping that works. You got to give a little bit of give with these CVTs so that they can relax a minute. Alright. It starts right up. Boy, that's nice. Alright, here we go. No jumpy. Alright. Same place last time. Alright. Let's go over here to the park. Dun, dun, dun. Less walking, the better. Alright. So when I'm coming down from high speeds, the CVT is still engaged, and it's back feeding my chain and coming off the sprocket. It's an easy fix to that. And this is pretty freaking loose, so I left it kind of a little too loose, definitely. So that could be a major issue. But yeah, it's definitely too loose. Alright. I wanted to give it a little bit of play, because when that CVT is still kinda, it rips the chain apart. That is so nice. I wish all my 2-strokes did that. Alright, now we need to get a smaller sprocket on the back, definitely. This thing is hauling. I actually am very pleased with it. As soon as that CVT opens up, the engine RPM, you can hear it start to slow down a little, and I'm only going like quarter throttle on this right now, so it definitely works. So, I don't know. Let's see where the camera's at. I have no idea where it's pointing at. But, yeah, this definitely is working out. I gotta tighten up that chain. I left it way too loose. That's probably why it's jumping again. But we'll try it again. But all in all, this was a definite success. And I had some people asking how I'm starting it. I had to make a custom pull start on it. So I have to put a filter on it. I have to make a crank yet. Fix my freewheel. It's a lot that's got to be done to this yet. But just for fun, to see if it works, it definitely works. It definitely opens up the torque converter. And once we get some stuff a little more complete and safer, we'll do some high-speed runs. But